Okay, so this is how we found spaces. We just bought a new property in Adani, Samsara Vilasa, and me and my husband were looking for somebody to do our interiors, but somebody who could really customize as per our needs and not template based what is happening in the market. And that's how he found it through Instagram. We saw a post in spaces which we really liked, and especially because they had already done work with Adani. So yeah, I mean, this is how we figured out this is the right place for us. And then we met Puchika and a team. The team was really nice and collaborative, and we went ahead with the team. So if I talk about what all we got done, so the first thing was that we had something in our mind which we wanted to build. Like I wanted a very specific mandir, something in white. I wanted a sketch in the room. So there was something in our mind, and then some things which Puchika suggested as a designer that would really go look good with the room, and that's how the entire house was designed. So in the living room, we started with the mandir, which was designed. Then we had this sketch, which was done by them, and now there was a lot of discrepancy how to match the dining with the mandir. So that is something specifically the team did. The kids' room was designed as per our preferences. Like laminates are very boring, but then Puchika made sure that the laminates are done in a manner that they look very fancy and very nice, adding pop to a kids' room. So she made a collaboration of laminate plus Duco, and that's why the room looks clearly nice to us now, especially the complementary wallpaper which goes along with it. In the master bedroom, we got a paneling done. We wanted a very classy sort of master bedroom, like something very modern as per our taste, and the team really did a very good job there. They chose the right Duco colors, the right laminates and right materials, and that's how the room was done. For the guest room, we wanted a very vintage kind of look, and that's why Puchika suggested to have a wardrobe in 2 laminates plus a cane overall look. The best part was the team was very, very collaborative. First, Puchika would listen to everything we would suggest. We had our own mind, but Puchika made sure the implementation was done at the best level, and she always had her own designs which were top notch. So we never had problems in design thinking sort of manner. Also, the team was very good when it came to the implementation. The project manager was always there. The team would always come. Lekhraj and Rahul would overlook the entire project, and that's how they delivered the project in time. So a very nice team all in all.